So I have this birds of paradise plant and it needs to be separated because it is too crowded there. I'm going to use this self-watering planter I got from the dollar store for about $5 to put the two separate plants in. I moved to the garage because it's going to get dirty, and I have my soil out there that I put a little bit in the bottom of the new planter. So the first thing I did was pull it out of the old container, which took a little prodding, but I finally got it out. And next I'm going to use my spade there to go into the soil and separate the two plants. Then I will show you the roots of the two plants once I break them apart. So it's a little bit difficult. It takes a little bit of muscle to do that. But eventually we will get it. And I just put them in two separate pots. Here is the roots of the plants. I watered them and then put dirt around them. And I have two separate birds of paradise.